most certainly was not.
The only thing that makes you sneeze and scratch your ear is your parchment mite allergy. So that was you sneezing from behind the stacks all night.
I had to go. I knew you'd be racing through those scientific journals faster than a proton in a particle accelerator.
Oh, stop showing off. You know, speaking of accelerating particles, why don't you do something about that sneezing?
Well, I took some of these before, but they're obviously not as strong as I thought they were. I'm going to take a couple more.
Now, why don't you just go home and go to bed?
Oh, that is exactly what you'd like for me to be happening.
What did you just say?
Well, if you didn't repeat it the first time, I'm not going to listen to it.
No, it's not.